pumasok po ang matanda doon po sa bahay nila. Paumahin po, ako po nakapagod.
Kita kami ni Isal kahapon.
Saan?
Diyan.
Hindi ko po
Balat tayo mangga.
And I can see that you guys are like wonderful,
Para may
wonderful
kainin tayo.
people. And he was also telling me that it's sometimes a little bit hard, just to bring in customers, because, there's bees or because of the weather. But he's still out here, helping you out, which I think, like I said, is amazing.
Yeah, well, right now it's a very beautiful
May hangin ba yan?
Ha?
May hangin na electric pa mo?
Kunti nga lang eh.
like a few months ago, and
Ibaba mo pa.
now it was
Iyuko mo pa.
Baba mo na.
Teka lang maano.
it was hard
Mano na
not
yung
to
kamay ko.
feel like
Madagta
fresh
na.
Mm-hmm.
Nagbabalat na ako ng
to
mangga.
sell. And like you can find sometimes
Oo,
like people
mamaya ka
that
lalabas.
like you,
Masagi mo yung cellphone ko.
try to stop you, like to make some money.
Nagaano ako, nagbabalat ako ng mangga.
It's something that I need.
Para may kain-kainin dito sa labas. Nandito kami sa labas.
Yep.
I mortgaged my
Ayan, tapos na ako maghiwa. Ay, maghiwa. Magbalat pala. Wow, mali. Ito, aking hiwa-hiwa. Ayan, kumakain din ng mangga. Ayan, kain po tayo mangga. Balas ka dyan.
Yeah.